Good morning, everyone. Lockdown ko mari lain na set up class ho jarage. So all my students, welcome to my class. So ngasi aina ngarang takibagi makha ai koi trigonometric values of some standard angles sabidi koi 0 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 30 and 60 degree value puthokpa singdo ai mathang taklake. First of all, let me teach you how you find the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Zero degree ki kamai puthokadagi haibse han batake si apina yam samna wa yam samna example la sumaina. For example, si right triangle la apina consider tawrani right triangle si maybe side ama pa somda wero side amo india right triangle se somda wale right triangle si da apina abc have a right triangle ama khanare sumaina ko. Let us consider equiangles is at A and a color seven. Do you let us see? Coincident diagram for you, but you take the sugar. Direction is on the way, from the one ray. The mana by Gumba, right triangles, the angles is my interroga. Soon pixel and a color C. Maggie keeping the pina A, B, C have a set. See the label angles is soon pixel of a habits minus minus. So the switching terrain color, Tonga figure DSPI, but I say the lake color, Hamas the lake angle cigars, the lake angle cigars, the labor cigars, minus Togusi, Aquina, Sigi, ABC, Queen Pix the Tamaga, Sigi Gadorakani, Hyderabad, the Sisi, Sum Hyderabani, Sisi, minus Sum Hyderabadi, the last one, C will coincide with B. At that time, this angle A will be C minus Santalagati last. C right targani will coincide with at B. At that time, angle A will be considered a 0 had been never. Do it targati BC length there will be any length of there will be no length of BC. That is BC will be considered a 0 and never. And then the side AC is look at the side AC equal to AC the coincider of C B the coincider of the side AC is some Sikana Manarakani, AB Manarakani have a considered or all the 60 ratios of 0 degree value put for So let us see H minor name with the Gantana with the Monday for Gaba. When the left ABC is a right triangle in which right angle at B the right angle oire hane lora si and left angle A will be considered a 0 oiba matamda. That is implies that sina kadi implies that we have a matamda kuina the side BC ge sang base na sum the figure to all the tonga figure laga ni Facebook te over just after looking to your book and then you can understand. I see just example ni ko BC length what I told you 0 and the side AB dia sama saya kanaga manarani AB singa saya C je the coincide ragati AB equal to AC singa saya sum jatha ragati AB saya kanaga rani C sina B the coincide of ragati AB equal to AC. Just after knowing all this plan and then we can find all 6 trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. So first of all, let us find the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Sine equal to 7 degree. Sine of 0 degree so that according to the trigonometric ratio ki relation what I told you, what is the ratio of at the previous class is and everything are given a bigger ratio sine opposite by hypotenuse. So according to angle AC opposite hypotenuse is adjacent. I will not write because I have already given a bigger and the so sine 0 degree according to angle AC opposite side BC. Then hypotenuse AC ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ BC ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯤ in case of 0 degree BC ꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ BC ꯁꯦ 0 ꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯤ and then divided by AC ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ 0 ꯍꯥꯏꯕ so sin of 0 degree ꯒꯤ value ꯁꯦ 0 ꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯐꯥ ꯄꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤ but ꯁꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯨ it is very important to know how it comes all the say values of the 60-1 ratios हाइबदी 60-1 ratio की 0 degree value से कमाई ता रही नो 30 की value कमाई ता रही नो 90 की value से कमाई ता रही नो 45 की हाइबदो अखोई न मदु खंग न बगी दमकता सि पुथोकनी बा and then just after this when a cos and puthos लेबा according to the trigonometric ratio of cos की trigonometric ratio द करी हाई ये कोइना what is the ratio of cos हारगदी सिदे द cos हारदी adjacent side AB मतुनिना adjacent side का नाम है AB hypotenuse हाइबनी adjacent by hypotenuse हाइबनी AC लाकनी अदिति AB AC का साइड पे दंगे हाइकी in case of 0 degree दा माने हाइकी अदि समाना मानी है ना हाइबदी सी AB हरगा AC से you can convert it AC in terms of AB दा convert हो गया है so as you know the quotient of the equal number समाना मसलनी है ना भी फोन से got 1 है just after this the next trigonometric ratio करीनो अपने खंगरे you all know 10 ni so 10 of 0 degree di how will come 10 0 की value क्या माइट थोड़ा बदल क्या है तारगदी the ratio of 10 जी क्या होगी opposite by adjacent होगी at this figure what represent opposite according to angle A opposite side is BC then adjacent side का नाम है AB ni BC जो कोई ना side का ये है कि कोई ना 0 नहीं है कि by AB का नाम है AB सुनथमसी if 0 is divided by any number then what the answer is 0 sayu puthokpa yai na tragana is you know quotient relation de so hai re 10 hai basi sin by cos hai ki so 0 by 1 also 0 na na ki puthokpa yai ko value puthokpa ki jingha bu gi niom di ko na tamna kini so just after doing this and then you can find the remaining 3 by using the reciprocal relation so just after next of 10 is what cot na lani so cot of 0 degree hai matam da di koina what I told you about the reciprocal relation cot ki di kai da lani asidagi koina adjacent by opposite hai na log traga su sida du koina aina already join the reciprocal relation ta pravina after seeing the first 3 after then we can write the remaining 3 say by using the reciprocal relation so cot iba matam da ti da irani so AB by BC hai ani so AB by BC hai bi kai no hai matam da koina AB di AB ni aduga BC di kai no 0 ni adu koina khange madudi koina khange madudi kai me any machine ma da 0 ni ya ba hai si kai no koina 0 ni ya ba hai si undefined number hai bi koina 0 ni ya ba ya ba machine lai de ko si je koina undefined number represented by the symbol ko sometimes ko infinity undefined number hai ko undefined number that is not defined hai na ko you can see your ratio hai bi 0 cannot be divided when the rational number ki batang da su a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q and then where p not equal to 0 hai ba to the heavily divided cannot be 0 bata ragati not defined so number like the hai ni ko the mind le and then code khama matung the next of code is what sec of 0 degree ko matam da kanadi ngani cos de ngani adudi si kai da ani AC by AB la kani samani si reciprocal so AB by so you can convert this also AB by AB this mind or gadum speaking with khunga ngamani wa lai and the last one cosec even when we write about the cosec even matam da akoina kai la kani you have to take the reciprocal of BC by AC that is AC divided by BC harani si kai la ani AC by 0 harkani 0 the defined to have si kai no undefined number not defined like this siga samana tarani si koina kamai to kana trigonometric ratios of 0 degree have se the values of the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree ko thoko matam da koina kamai to thokade ki hai bo si mo si la pa ne ko then you can understand after seeing your textbook just after this how can find the trigonometric ratios of 90 degree se book remind for you know I have mo ina ko let me give the explanation about it also so I will not write long day the right so I have trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees to koina ko si bota hang de ko 45 degree 30 degree and 60 degree ki value puthokpadi akoina kaidawi Manipur board ko find the values of the trigonometry ratios of 45, 30 and 60 hangi but sidi hangde du noi khangda badiya de. So in this case also limited right triangle matloga explain tawge ko sumaina saina let sidasu akoina right triangle som the olage ko som the olbasina nuai de. Let us consider a right triangle number load C ABC AJ triangle se thambana nuai se thambasi ko any se thambaya ko ABC when a right angle at B in a smile load C. Let ABC is a right dot angle triangle in which dot right angle at where at A. So and then let angle AC and the mukano 90 degree ne logo de ni ko e the 90 we by C kamai to kan to oidu no ha let us consider mana kamai to we logi figure da si chu hum mari thong sum je pani ko let us see sidai sidai ga A le re sidai B le re C le re A je sum cham thla ka do ne ba 90 har ga di ko sidana si B C je keeping fixed B C je leng na tham do ne ta mu ne ko then si A je smai sum cham thla e khala se ba selai be angle siga sumaina sum lai be angle C sum lai be angle C ma kamai to ka ni hai ma tan last ma sum chanjal la ga di A sina ka 90 degree ba hai ba ta ga di A hai ba sa will be coincide at where B the coincide to ka ne ba non jan ka ne ba that is A B ki len lai hidra doi ta ga di A B ki len lai ro cinema da explanation dang bi bani ko di ta doi mon na ko you can understand A B C sum chanjal la khala se ba lastly ma sum chanjal la di angle de sum chawk la ka ni sum da B ro da sum la ko ma tam da B C D len da na lai doi ni si sumai sum chanjal la wa sum chanjal lo sum chawk ka ni angle se aduga sum chawk ka ni A B ki len se lai ro 0 lai ra ni A B se aduga si ki A C je kana ga coincide to ka ni hai ma tam da A C ki len si di kana coincide to na ra ka ni A C ge sang ba ga B C ga ma na ye hai ba si ma khoina conclusion da tar ka ne ba in case of 90 degree da adu samjal la ga naina sum yeng ba da ngai na mai da mak da sina kari implies to we hai ma tam da A B ki len se na saina asom da na B C je 0 lai ki ba smai sum angle smai sum nem dhara pa antam na si angle sum changjal la pa you just imagine noine dum wa khan na saw dum khang ni ko adu di A B ge sang ba se si in this case 0 already adu ga A C ge sang ba se or B C ge sang ba se har si ai ko or B C hai ba se the length of B C se kana oi ra kani di smai te ga ma B C di length da na doi ni na ko si A C ga man ra kani ba smai na. And then I ahan magi amani dong thoke ko sidadi therefore sin of handamukana 90 degree value je kamai la ani hai taragadi you have to use the trigonometry ratio my trigonometry ratio ki formula da sijina da seba sin hai basi sida dumi yang si yang ngai na ko opposite by hypotenuse hai bane ba opposite kana no according to angle A BC by hypotenuse ti kana no AC ne ba BC kai hai gi na BC je kai oi ni hai gi AC ka sang manani hai ki ba nang si se AC je in terms of BC do be hai BC je AC ro question be hai but in BC je converted manam di kan ani se manan ki bani na ko ani se manare ba so got 1 to smaina asaina sin 0 to 0 ba ta un sin 90 to 1 le ba ko ai table lama taw ra ga yam interesting oi ba ko ko ni mathang class in la ka ni and then sin cos am ko thos ba cos of 90 degree ko thokoma tan da di khoina kai mu la ka ni cos di adjacent side by hypotenuse side ba adjacent side se kana no AB ne ba hypotenuse ti kana no AC ne ba AB kana no sida 0 ne ba hypotenuse 0 de any masing am yem di ko 0 ne ba de gi 10 la ase ba 10 of 90 degree hai ba si mo khoina kai la ka de gi hai ma tam ja 10 hai ba si di yang si de dum smai ye la su ya ra ba de ba 10 hai ba di sin by cos na but according to trigonometry ratio pan ge hai ga so khoina BC by AB hai ba ni ko adu BC by AB hai ba ni adu BCD na sai khoina kai ne hai gi BC by AB hai ba ko adu BCD kana ga mana ki ba ko khoina ABD 0 ni ko BCD khoina BC ne smai su thama ji ABD khoina sai kai hai gi 0 ai ki ba do 0 ne yen ba hai ba si khoina undefined number hai ki ba ko si undefined number oi ba hai bi 0 cannot be divised see sometimes this symbol je dum represent to bani ko undefined oi ba number hai bi 0 cannot be divided si ki matung de ki noina code iba code of 90 degree iba 10 de ki di sec 90 ko sec 90 degree and cosec 90 degree hai ba si same as the previous two ma cha manare my reciprocal de ki to ra ga khoi du noi puthorok pa yarane ba smaina magi process to how will come all of these values haibase sisini ado ina hojik 45 degree ki value si puthok ba chiga taange ado next class tana 30 and 60 ki value puthok ba take the next is okay next so how can find the values of the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree when the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree ki value se permaina puthoke haibase di apina adu hangba ya ko sini ko sidi 2019 da 3 mark piraga in a final trigonometric values of 45 degree haina 3 mark targa hangigo 45 30 and 60 so let me start so how can find the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree as how rage ko sidai sti da koina karamba triangle number logani haima da in case of sigi ko 45 degrees ka so koina right triangle abc haina dum lore ko si a je ka gumba theta lo so haina already ai pandre ko e koi angle ma consider tawre sumaina right triangle ABC lore then 45 degree value puthokadui ni apoi na one of the angle have the angle A se apoi na pyane lorani 45 degree ha na lorni ne ba so pele ko mai phobadu ge hai matanda let change by the policy ko let ABC have said is a right triangle in which right angle at B the right angle ko area in the lower seven and let angle A se kai ko ra ba pina 45 degree ne lower seven adui ta ka ti apin angle C se then angle C je kya oi ga ke ba si the 45 degree oi ta ka ti apin angle C je kya oi ni hai ta ra ni khang re hana si right triangle ni adu da ani sina kai oi ni hai ki ba koina equiangle oi dui ne ba the property that the sum of the two equiangles of the right triangle is 90 degree higher. So angle C is the way 90 degree minus 45. And the the 90 minus 45 that is also 45 degree never. So like the angle C you can have a the C 45 degree never. So the game implies the way I have a matanda. But you can put the way I have a C45 later, C45 later at the angle that is never. The Quina geometry statement of Sizinaraga, the side opposite to the equal angle, Manaba angle is opposite and the sides in Shiga Manay has an opinion we can conclude. That this implies that AB Abashu Kanase, BC Manade has an opinion Tassoya, Minako. And the Yapomatam the Divina, Yapomatam the Yapa the figure is geometrical construction, let me have the added. Sumba figure Mayagadi, when you draw Yapomatam the shoe, they carefully get the 45 percent. She will be so able Masana the 45 already, the 45 will decide and Simana will give the home. Aduga Manay and Hana sympathy are there, baby will be single manner and physically, you know, having a thunder side. Upon the 45 people to Gadina, when the right triangles, the one of the angles 45 looks and never then another angle 45 in Haraga, then geometry is 10 and Palani, the side opposite to the equal angle of the triangle are equal. Single and is a manner of an amount of what the legal side manner it is implied that A will be single set. Manay have never. Let us suppose they are the queen of this year, where we thought this year, I know. The trigonometric values of 45 degree values in Japan Hopaneva. Ado Anisia Mandareva, Manariba Anisia, when the lower neighbor, according to your textbook, long to Sukum Hopiaco, A big Bisiga Manare, yes, in terms of A bidra, Bisidra was long for the share. Ado in the Taisei, class 9, we have met the Shiawani, A bit the Shiawani, basically some money flow of Tankan, according to class 9 textbook, you were doing it in Honagago. So let us suppose that. Suppose because I manage was had any A B highly Basiga BC highly Siga Quina K and Logonico. And is your Quina K in Laura Siva, Shizuki and Laura Siva. And the Quina Trigonometric ratio she gave losing Roy Putoromatan, the mother side only a sang but come with the car oil. How she out of the right triangle side and is your Quina K in Laura Siva. She come to Ebonzi. She is the come to Eva. The right triangle on the side and you sang but Kangaga. And on side to talk was with the help of Pythagoras theorem put to ever. A day directly, upon the Pythagoras theorem Balagi, a city sang with a lower seven K used or now, how did by Pythagoras theorem given to me now. Upon the Kari Pange, Hamilton the weekend, when the Kari Pange, Havas Dinana, direct my relation, since we were the Shukai, it is up to you. So, as you put direct program policy, you are class name standard, so we can jump some steps, some way I go. As you put direct my formula. here AC is the longest side never hypotenuse AC put over the never the tardy she is side and square is coming here she lower never AC put okay target AB square plus BC square had a never square like a never the direct K square some of the sukai take at the Kitan Yam some of the I take them either AB had a secret cycle logi A square high give BC you can K square high level to the Shika K square but is another twice K square high level. K square has to be perplexed to earning 2D, perplexed to our idea. So, now the command to root 2 under the thumb and name minor. Aduga into K had a map hung ever. Adugi Beludo and the station is in the thumb against minor. She knew what it came with the minor to K tare. She just after knowing or just after finding all these three lengths. Length only some by the right angle beside only some of the quality come up on the when you say man put to Hariba, you go to ratio to give 45 degrees value to so now I say sitting at the god, so thus thus you have to begin from where we shall begin from where sine the whole so sine of 45 degree I will put towards the hand but you want to do ratio when no give sine 45 according to 45 say see the July aduga see the July ba ya ko do khina sai a the yeng khabani na samane se a the yeng khabani na see dum yeng se ba see yeng aga the see side se ko according to angle AC opposite by hypotenuse side do the thought se ba BC by AC har se ba BC se kana no selagi se K ne ba khina in terms of K the ko khabani na ko ado K ne ba the AC di kana no AC je khina ji ru tu K ne no ko smai ko khara ru tu into K ne K se ka se ba di ko kai tare 1 by root 2 tare so sine of 45 degrees there 1 by root 2 tare ine ba ko si 3 mark ina ga si complete calculation for ka du ine ba and then cos of 45 degree next you want to ratio no put ho se ba cos 45 se put ho ma tam da na cos ki ratio do mu use to se ba cos ki ratio di mo kai ha ki pina adjacent side by hypotenuse ko angan ha bi ho da p ki ba you want to ratio do no jo khoi na dum up till the last comma is very related khang da dar oi ko aduna also 45 degree haiba matam da koina kai lakani adjacent side hargane ba adjacent di AB ne ba by hypotenuse di kana no AC ne ba adu si matang su ke ba root 2 into K haiba ko si K si ka si 1 by root 2 hai sin 45 cos 45 thangna ba case of 45 do manar kani ko si ju tong ana yang ina ri to the ratios as they are complementary angles and takla ga di madu ki matang da ya na ta ke cos 45 degree. The chapter is now kai puthoragani tan of 45 degree puthoragani ba. Tan haidadi opposite by adjacent haidane ba. Opposite se kana no BC ne ba adjacent di kana no AB ne ba. Adu ani ma si K ngak to boi hi ba se K by K ha ni got 1 tan 45 to 1 ne. Chamana da na sai ki to gi da na ko sai ki chamana na sai ki 0 and 45 to to do sorry 0 and 90 degree to to minus tan bo khanga di akoi na kai la kani or 45 aduga kaino sec 45 and cosec 45 pi rakwa matam dadi koina kai dora ka de ge bu cosec 45 by the c pi rakwa matam dadi nang ni have to use the side sin c ga reciprocal ni cos c ga reciprocal ni tan ga bot reciprocal ni loi khana ni ko c je kai la ani ab by bc wera ni value de yang ga su 1 thamba ya re c yang ga su root 2 c yang ga su root 2 wala smai la da ra bani adu ba koina c smai la k by k bu thoro du 1 da ra ne sigi yeng ma tan da section post la ane ba haibidi AC by AB la ka duine ba ba nan complete calculation ni no ni ga su root 2 by ka root 2 k into k harane si kai tarani got over 2 tarani sigi 45 degree ko section hot pa tam da na mu kai la ga ni si si su kana de ga ni you have to see that the first one sin 45 that is nan kai la ga ni AC by BC har ka ni ba si ju root 2 into K divided by K have the got root 2 ni in sai do thangna ba mane have sigi maram chu lai ko sigi maram di dinga se hairo ai next ha ge adana iroi roi da ina 2019 da 2019 da hamba ai question ma khabi se ge ko maina si 2019 da koi kamai hangi hai ba da si question se ko calculate the values the value of the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree hai bise keri 3 mark piraga board da hangi ban like 30 degree and 60 degree so koi hang bai hai ba ado ga sigi di ba for today ai see 30 degree and 60 degree di at the next class ko mathangi class dai ta kani adu when student da haining isi nakoi na sigi part si yang matam da trigonometry ai mamang da part hum thongna ta khre part 1 part 2 part 3 haidana up to part 3 yore ngasi part 4 hairani ado part 4 si yang biba chhatra singna part 4 si khagi nga khangba ngamoi so I would like to say something say about my class to the student that noina kai gumba khagi class yang biragadi noigi you have to open the previous class amangi previous class to video ju open do bio aduga tum phajana gyan ta ba ngamni maram di trigonometry from the beginning up to the last very related so that is why khoi phajana class wi kana ba logi yo haibasi hairaga let me stop here for today. Thank you all.